Hello, this is Casually Clara, and today we are making fresh salsa verde. Just like peanut butter, you can enjoy this chunky or smooth, whichever you prefer. And don't be intimidated by the tomatillo. They are found in grocery stores everywhere, and you just have to peel off their little jackets, give them a rinse, and they're ready to go. All of our ingredients are listed here, so let's get started. There's no baking or cooking required. We're just going to roughly chop 4 medium tomatillos before grabbing an avocado, opening it up, and taking out the pit. Grab yourself a bunch of cilantro, just a small bunch, and I'm going to show you how to just fold it in on itself, hold it tightly, take a knife, and just give it a rough chop through. And don't worry about the stem actually holds a lot of flavor. This is a white onion, which is a great onion to use when you're keeping all your ingredients raw. It's much less pungent than its yellow counterpart, for example. We're going to give it a rough chop and a mince, and then I'm going to show you what you can do to mitigate even more the pungency of an onion and avoid that dragon breath. So we're going to add it to a bowl, and to that bowl we're going to add lime. Now, I really strongly recommend you use a citrus press. I cut off the ends because Martha Stewart told me to, but then we're going to cut it in half. The citrus press has 2 benefits. One is that it really does squeeze out more lime juice than other methods, but secondly, and more importantly, you're actually able to capture potent citrus oils from the skin of the lime. See, we almost flipped the lime in half. And when you place it into the citrus press, you want to place it middle side cut down. And that is how you get the most bang for your lime. And really just to thin out the salsa a little bit, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. The jalapeno, and we're just going to use one, is going to be roughly chopped before we place it in the blender. And I'm going to show you how to devein and de-seed a jalapeno. However, if you like a lot of heat, then add by all means these seeds and the vein, but that is, just keep in mind, that is where all the heat is stored. We're ready to add all of our ingredients to a high-powered blender, our lime and our onion, our tomatillos, our roughly cut jalapenos, and of course, our cilantro. Then for the avocado, I gave it a little score so that it's easier to scoop into the blender. Season with salt, then we place the lid on, and you're going to pulse if you want chunky. You're going to let it run for a while if you want smooth. In the beginning, I showed you more of the chunky salsa version. This one is the smooth, and I honestly can't decide which one I love more. Either way, I love the way it coats a chip. It's bright and tangy and perfect on anything, including these carnitas. Subscribe, I'll see you next time.